Cinematography! A nice person.
Hey, no, no, hey, no, no, hey, no, no, hey,
Hey guys, it is the last day of 2017. I look like an alien. What? Why do I look like this? Oh, we're going to the new year. Woo! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Do one faster than She hit herself on that signpost. She was staring on her phone. Boom! What do we learn from that? When you're walking, don't stare on your phone. Look at when you're walking. Okay, guys?
Uy, wag naman yung mukha ko.
Yan.
Baka ma-turn off
Yan. Just finished the movie. It was a musical and music was great. Shots were good.
Cinematography!
Was good, but there was no real story. Like until now, it's finished. It was 2 hours long. I have no idea.
We're going home.
Lalabas na tayo dito sa Fora. Wala pang expense.
It's so cold.
Okay lang. Anong masasabi mo?
Singing.
Singing, katayin mo yan. Ano ang review mo? Umaambon. We're at 7-Eleven. Jubilee's having her seafood. Philippine ramyun, so.
Basket pa. Tutulungan ko nga siya.
Yung isa, oh. Yung isa. Pareho pong presyo niyan lahat po. Ay, go, sesame.
Di ka
Nagpapabida, baliwala. O, failed interview, hindi kaya hire.
Oh, watch ko yung dito.
Makikita yan
May channel siya eh.
sa Korea.
Hello everybody!
It is a new day here in Tagaytay, Philippines. And it's the new year, it's 2018. The first few days of 2018, I was just chilling, recharging, relaxing, spending time with family. So I was just recharging. But now I'm back on track, back to the vlogging life. And we have a birthday today, but let me get ready first. Wow! Tihila! What is it?
I think the bike is the full of food to restaurants.
Buying the restaurant? Having lunch. Hey.
Yay! You say hi to the camera.
Tastes good? See? You like it? We're gonna go to the birthday party.
Her hair.
Happy birthday, Misha! Happy birthday, Misha!
Gonna burn her hair.
Happy birthday, Misha! Happy birthday, Misha! Happy birthday, Misha!
Misha, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mitakak! Everlasting fire!
Sabi niya, this is not age appropriate. What is that was the birthday party for my niece Misha, and I'm here with Ate Louie.
Hello.
If you do you know her? Do you know her? You introduce yourself. Sino ba?
My name is Luisa. Ay, wala akong masabi. Ano?
No, what do you do? She's a singer, songwriter, performer.
I am a
daughter.
Yes, a daughter, a mother, and a nice person.
Boom, shakalaka. Boom, shakalaka. Boom, shakalaka. Boom, shakalaka. Dinner time, everybody.
Hey guys, we're finished because somebody has to. They have to clean it.
Okay, let's go. We have to clean it na.
Done. So kids, when you have a party, learn to clean afterwards. Other than that, I wish you all a good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you may be. See you soon. Adios, kumai.